Supreme Court said no foul or intemperate language was used in the banners put by the aggrieved flat purchasers. This is pertaining to a case that arose after Suti Developers Pvt Ltd filed a defamation case against certain home buyers, alleging that the accused erected banners and boards in Hindi and English visible to public at large, containing false, frivolous, and defamatory statements against the builder. A metropolitan magistrate in 2016 earlier issued the process in the defamation case. The Sessions Court and the Bombay High Court later upheld the trial court decision, leading to the present appeal before the top court. The top court, on its part, said that no foul or intemperate language was used. Language is a vehicle of communication, and the posters only highlight the grievance that home buyers were facing, and the language, in fact, was carefully chosen. The court also added that it is important to adjudicate if limits were exceeded in the language used. The Supreme Court on the 17th of April this year held that home buyers have a right to peacefully protest against builders. The bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Justice K.V. Viswanathan made this observation while quashing the defamation complaint filed by the real estate developer. The flat owners earlier challenged the issuance of summons in this defamation case. The Supreme Court said homeowners, as consumers, enjoy the right to peaceful protest, as it is the right of every consumer, just as the builder has the right to free commercial speech. The court also said that in a petition seeking quashing of a defamation complaint, a high court can examine whether the exceptions to the offense of defamation are made out. In its order, the top court observed, "We have discussed the right to protest peacefully, and this protest was held peacefully, and thus the Lakshman Rekha was not crossed, and criminal proceedings against them will be an abuse of the process. Right to protest peacefully is a right of every consumer, just like the builder has a right to free commercial speech, and hence the complaint against homeowners are quashed."
So essentially, the Supreme Court has upheld the right of the home buyers to protest. And what we can clearly see here is the arrogance of the builders and developers who use their money power to influence certain people and get their cases heard, leading up to the Supreme Court. So clearly, the top court, in its wisdom, has decided that the home buyer's right to demonstrate, to protest peacefully is paramount. It has dismissed the builder's defamation case in this regard, and that clearly sets a healthy precedent.